In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, what you need to do is to go to your phone settings. Now search for app management. Click on it. Then click on app list. Now search for WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. Go to storage and cache. And from here all you have to do is to click on this clear cache and then click on this clear storage option. Once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is to go to your file manager, click on all files, select internal storage, go to Android, select media, and then go to com.whatsapp, select WhatsApp, click on databases. Now what you have to do is to select all these files and copy them. Click on copy. Now go back to the previous folder and then go to backups and paste all the files here. And once all these files are pasted here, your deleted chats will be recovered on WhatsApp. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.